Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we discover the hidden stories in financial filings, and tonight we're diving into Champion Homes Incorporated's latest report, which seems to have some rather optimistic news about share buybacks and earnings. Get ready. Because we're about to decode what Champion Homes Incorporated is telling us about their performance and their plans. If you enjoy breaking down complex corporate news into plain English, make sure you are subscribed. And hey, we built a fantastic community over on Discord, so join us there too. The link is in the description. Alright, so what we have here is a Form 8K filing. Think of this as a current report that companies file when something important happens that investors need to know about right away. It is not like their regular quarterly or annual reports. This is for timely, material information. The main event in this filing is revealing their financial results for the quarter that ended on the 27th of December, 2025. They released a press release about it on the 3rd of February, 2026, and that press release is attached to this report. Now, they mention both GAAP and non-GAAP financial measures. GAAP, or generally accepted accounting principles, is the standard way companies report their finances. Non-GAAP are adjusted numbers that companies like to use because they think it shows a better picture of their operations. It's good to keep in mind that these non-GAAP numbers can sometimes paint a rosier picture than the official GAAP numbers, so we always want to look at both if we can. But that is not all that is happening at Champion Homes. They also announced a pretty significant move regarding their share repurchase program. The board of directors approved an increase of $50 million to their existing share buyback program. This means they are going to buy back more of their own stock, essentially reducing the number of shares available on the market. This makes their existing shares a little more valuable, assuming the company continues to do well. The total available for buybacks now stands at a hefty $150 million. So the press release is key here. It contains the actual financial details from that quarter. While this 8K filing doesn't give us the raw numbers directly in the text, it points us to the press release as the source. We can infer from the timing and the announcement that they are likely signaling strong performance or a positive outlook that justifies this increased share buyback. Companies often use buybacks when they feel their stock is undervalued, or as a way to return capital to shareholders when they don't have immediate uses for cash or other investment opportunities. It can also be a signal of management's confidence in the company's future prospects. Let's quickly touch on what is registered at the stock exchange, which is their common stock trading under the symbol SKY on the New York Stock Exchange. This is the main way people invest in and trade shares of Champion Homes Incorporated. Now, looking at these events, Champion Homes Incorporated seems to be in a phase where they are projecting confidence. The increased share buyback program suggests they believe their stock is a good investment, either because they see strong future earnings potential or because they have excess cash. This, combined with the release of their quarterly financial results, indicates they are ready to share positive news with the market. What does this mean for you as an investor or someone watching the markets? Well, an increased buyback program can boost the stock price in the short term. It signals that management is committed to shareholder value. However, it is crucial to remember that buybacks are just one piece of the puzzle. The actual financial results that came out on the 3rd of February are what truly matter for long-term success. We need to see the full press release to analyze the revenue growth, profitability, and earnings per S-hair to get the complete picture. Are they growing their revenue? Are their profits increasing? Are they managing their costs effectively? These are the questions we'd be asking without the actual numbers from the press release. It is hard to give a definitive assessment of their financial health, but the strategic decision to increase buybacks indicates a positive sentiment from the company's leadership. Looking beyond this specific filing, Champion Homes Incorporated is in the business of building homes, and their performance will be closely tied to the housing market, interest rates, and consumer confidence. A strong earnings report coupled with a significant share buyback could signal that they are navigating these market conditions well and are poised for future growth. So, to sum up, Champion Homes Incorporated has filed a report indicating they are feeling good about their financial performance and their stock's value, leading them to significantly increase their share repurchase program. It's a bullish signal, but as always, we need to dig into the actual financial performance details to understand the full story. What is your take on this move from Champion Homes? Do you think increased buybacks are a good sign? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.